Hello, my name is Patrick Gowen, and today I'm going to show you how to do some basic Windows 7 operations. This assignment's for Diane Dalton's Summer NOS 130 course at Rockingham Community College. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm going to show you how to do today is create a folder. For creating a folder, what you want to do is go anywhere on your open desktop, right click, go to New, go to Folder. And as with any folder, you have to rename it. So in this video, I'm going to rename it as Sample. Next thing, what I'm going to show you how to do today is copy a folder. There's two ways of doing this. You can either right click and hit copy, which copies it to the clipboard, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Control-C, which is also copy. Now I'm going to copy this to the Documents folder. So what you're going to do is click on Start, go to Documents, and then and then you're in your Documents library. For this part, you can either do two ways. Hit Control-V, which is the keyboard shortcut for paste, or you can go to right click, click on paste, and it'll bring your document or folder into the area that you want to have it. Next thing I'm going to show you how to do is move a folder. To move a folder, you just click on it once, then click on it again and hold your click down, then drag it to another area on your computer which you want it. In this case, I put it in Pictures. There it is. Next thing I'm going to show you how to do today is rename a folder. To rename a folder is very easy. There's two ways of doing this. You can either right click, go to Rename, and rename the folder. You can either hit Enter, or you can just left click anywhere you want. Another way of doing this is click on it once, then click on it again, and it brings up the edit box as before. Just to show you, we'll rename it another name. In this example, we'll do Example. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is sort. So since I have a little bit more folders in my documents, we're going to sort it. Now you can either right here arrange it by the folder, the author of who created it, the date that it was edited, tagged, typed, or named. So right now it's ordered by folder. Go ahead and show you the author, and it's unspecified. And there's everything. Okay, another way it's going to be date modified. What this shows is in the years, it will show you when it was modified, the date and the time that it was modified in your type of file, like a JPEG, a .doc file for Word, or etc. Another way, you go to Tag. Another way is go by Type. What this does is it will arrange all your files into a group of types, like for your pictures, JPEG, or TIFFs, for your documents like .ppt or .doc, .docx. And if you want to do it that way, it's a little easier, but I prefer not to. I prefer to have mine all alphabetical. And another way is by name, which in before it's pretty much by alphabetical. The folder option, what this does is it doesn't necessarily list all your files. You list your folders in alphabetical order, which that can be helpful, but if you need to sort it, here's some more options. Extra large icons. This pretty much shows you if you have like pictures or music, video files. This is very common in Windows 7 for user-friendly. Another way to sort is by large icons. Just shrinks it down to the specification of the size that the user prefers. Small icons. List just shows you in a list. Details. What the details is, shows the name of the file or folder, the date modified, the time it was modified, and the folder type, like if it's a folder, or if it's a .doc, .jpeg, it'll also have that information as well. And also It will usually have the size on here, as my computer is not showing that, but usually people will do that if they have large documents and they need to sort it in a different way. Tiles, this is pretty much like a group setting. It shows you a smaller version of what I said previously in this video about the pictures, the videos, the music, and pretty much if you have those in your folder, it'll show, like here, scanned documents, it has a picture of flowers, which there is a picture of flowers in that folder. The last thing is content. Basically, it'll just show the date modified and the time and what it is, like a folder, .jpeg, .doc, etc. And the final thing what I'm going to show you to do today is delete a file. So I'm going to go back to the documents where I had that file, pictures. Now to do this, you can either click on it, right click and go to delete, and then click on yes, or you can click on it and then just hit your delete key on your keyboard and then hit yes. I hope you enjoyed a little demonstration of how to do some basic things in Windows 7. Again, my name is Patrick Goen. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.